To this channel. Today we're doing a quick review of colorize.com. Now colorize.com helps to colorize a photo online free with AI. You can restore old damaged photos 100% automatically. One click to remove scratches, creases and beyond. Sharpen the color and enhance face with AI. You can see this is a great example. So drop image here or click to upload. It supports many formats. You can see the format. The maximum size is 5 megabytes, resolution, maximum resolution, and any image that exceeds the limit will be reset automatically before uploading one image at a time. If you don't have an image, you can just try one of these to see how it works. Now, how to colorize photo with colorize.com. The first thing you need to do is prepare a digital black and white photo. It has to be a black and white photo. Alright? So it does not work on digital images in colors. So before you use it, you need to have at least one digital old black and white image in your device. If you have an old black and white, photo in your album, you can digitize them with online photo scanners before uploading them to colorize.com. Then simply drag and drop them right here. And once you've done that, click the upload icon, select the photo if you don't want to drag, and then it works best with photo less than. Before you mention that, exceeding the limit, your photo will be compressed automatically. Then once you've done that, colorize is 100% automatic and free to use. Just click download button to save the colorized photo, which will be deleted permanently after 30 minutes. So it's an AI-powered photo colorizer that simplifies the whole process of colorizing job. We can colorize black and white photos 100% automatically, and this allows you to colorize photos in yellowish or grays in seconds. So you can see. So these are the features: AI colorize photo online. Colorize photos for free, add lifelike color to all photos with colorize. There's so many great things here. So why do you need it? You want to travel back in time, you want to old photos and share those precious moments with your family and friends. It's good to keep those photos, but they can easily get damaged and faded. But thanks to this colorize.com, you can colorize those photos after you digitalize them so that the moments can last forever. Now, before we talk about how to use it, so that's it. So users have praised this platform for its ability to bring back cherished memories in a new light, and it is considered a reliable alternative to other colorization services. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today.